Looking to lose weight but don't have time for the gym? Today I'll show you simple home workouts that require no equipment, just your body, your space, and a little motivation. Always start with a quick warm-up to wake up your muscles. Do 30 seconds of arm circles, 30 seconds of jogging in place, and a minute of jumping jacks. Now let's jump into a fat-burning routine. Follow along with each move for 30 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds in between. Repeat the cycle twice. Squats, great for legs and glutes. Push-ups, strengthen your chest, arms, and core. Mountain climbers, burn calories fast. Lunges, tone your thighs and improve balance. Plank, engage your entire core. Don't forget recovery. Stretch your arms, legs, and take deep breaths to bring your heart rate down. A proper cool down prevents soreness. Do this routine 4 to 5 times a week, and you'll see results in your strength, energy, and weight loss journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.